Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So I'm going to show you how I make the best hairsprays for you to grow your hair very fast. So I have my rosemary leaves. I got this from Lagos Island. You should always make sure that you have to get the leaves that are very fresh, because if you get dead leaves, there's no point of you literally making this hairspray. And if you also want to find it, you can get it in the supermarket. And these are the cloves. You can get cloves from any of those herbal places, and this is the hairspray. So you can get literally any bottle. I didn't see the transparent bottle, but I got this one eventually. And then you're going to have the wild growth hair oil. Oh my god, this is perfect. This contains a whole lot of important oils that are very good for like so many things, like hair growth, hair softening, detangling, different things. So I'm going to show you the contents of this and the oils later on in the video, and I'm going to tell you the benefits of each of these key ingredients. So now I just want to open and take out part of the rosemary leaves, and let's get washed. So you need to wash this rosemary leaves because it's going to, for you to be able to sieve out some of the dirt. So I'm just going to wash it quickly, and if you can see, a little bit of the dirt are under the part. And yes, I had to transfer it to a new bowl because I couldn't really wash it properly, so I just had to wash it in a bigger bowl. So I'm just trying to sieve out the major rose leaves that I have there, and you can see those little brown things. Those are like literally like a little bit of should I say weeds that you don't really need in your mixture. So I'm just trying to drain it out and get the most possible rose leaves I can get for this remedy. So guys, I had to take it out, and also you're not going to wash your clothes, but you're just going to put your clove, because right now you're going to get every possible juice you want from this clove. If you want to get this clove, always go to like a local place that sells it to get a very proper brown stinging type of glove, because some gloves wouldn't really give you a problem. An airtight container. You can use an airtight container. You can manage any container, and anyone that has the lid very tight, because you need to infuse, because one of the major processes you infusing. For you to infuse, you're going to get all the necessary ingredients in that remedy. So guys, one of the major key benefits of cloves that it helps to stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which promotes hair follicle activities and encourages hair growth, and contains vitamins, minerals and fiber. And its biggest benefit is that it has an anti-inflammatory agent that you use to protect the scalp from dandruff. So one of the major key ingredients here is the rosemary, which actually acts as effective as minoxidil, and it also helps for fast growth and hair loss. And one of the reasons is that it's a very strong herbal medicinal plant, which actually helps in healing and anti-inflammatory. So yes, this is our hot water. So I'm going to pour the hot water into the bottle, and this is called the process of infusion. This is the major process for you to get that purest form, all the natural ingredients there. You need to infuse, and infusing meaning that you need to let it sit overnight to get that. So guys, I'm just going to close it for it to sit overnight, and let's see. Make sure that if you're making it sit overnight, or if you don't have that time, you could still work either ways. So guys, now I'm going to just drain this. You can see how black it is. All the ingredients up there are so happy. Oh my gosh. Yes, guys, the color is perfect. So this infusion process literally worked, and I'm going to get all of my mixtures from this. So guys, I'm going to drain it out now. You can see how black it is inside. That's the work of the clove and also rosemary leaves. Now you can see that the cloves have actually drained properly, and it's changed colors. Now, if you can see from the beginning of the video, it was literally black, but now it's the ingredients have been drained into the liquid. So you can see how it is right now. That means we did a good job, guys. So guys, I'm just going to simmer this and shift it, and then I'm also going to put it aside and get our wild growth oil. Now this wild growth oil consists of rich plant-based formula that hydrates, conditions and softens for more manageable hair. So this oil contains coconut oil, olive oil, cocoa, eucalyptus, grapefruit, lavender, so many essential oils, and it also promotes long, thick, strong hair growth for all hair types. So I'm just going to mix it, and we all know that water and oil doesn't really mix like that. But then as far as it's applied into your hair and rubbed it into, you are still going to get the same effect. So it takes up to like 2 weeks to see the full effect while using this wild growth oil. So right now I'm just going to put it in my bottle and mix it very well before spraying it into my hair. And one of the major reasons why I added this oil, you can use your jojoba oil, you can use any sort of oil that is very, very key in hair growth, and you can just give it a boost for you in this remedy. So guys, this also gives a healthy and less prone to split hair breakage. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to shake properly, and then voila, the mixture is ready. So I always use this every day. So I always use this every day for like a week, and I saw beautiful results. Like my hair grew 3 inches. Like I'm so speechless. 3 inches, guys. I'm telling you, this is the major secret if you want a good hair growth. So guys, this is the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want me to do more videos, yeah, comment down. I love you.